They told you that the sun is yellow. Your textbook showed a golden ball in the sky. But what if I told you that's a complete lie? The real color of the sun, it's not yellow, not orange, not even red. It's something most people don't expect. And the truth, it was discovered by an accident, by a genius, and hidden in plain sight all along. In this video, we are diving into one of the most misunderstood facts about our universe's most important star. We'll uncover how scientists figure out the real color of the sun, why our eyes deceives us, and who was the first to say, wait a second, the sun isn't yellow at all. Stay till the end because what you're about to learn here will change how you see every sunrise and sunset. Literally, from the moment we were kids, we are taught that the sun is yellow. Every drawing, every textbook, even emoji shows a yellow sun. But here's the thing, that yellow, it's an illusion, a trick, not of the mind but of the atmosphere. When the sunlight enters Earth's atmosphere, short wavelengths like blue and violet scatter in all directions. What's left, the longer wavelengths, red, orange and yellow, reaches our eyes directly. That's why the suns look yellow or reddish, especially during sunrise or sunset. But what color is it really out there in space, beyond the haze of our atmosphere? When astronauts see the sun in space, when satellites observe it, there is no yellow, no orange, no red. The real color of the sun is white. Sunlight is actually a combination of all visible colors mixed together. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet combined, they form a white light. That's why a prism splits sunlight into a rainbow, because the sun emits every visible wavelength equally. So when we remove Earth's atmosphere from the equation, we see the sun's true identity, not yellow, not red, but pure blazing white. The first person to uncover this truth was none other than Sir Isaac Newton. In 1666, he passed sunlight through a glass prism and noticed it broke into full spectrum, the colors of the rainbow. That led him to a very simple but groundbreaking conclusion. White light is not a single color, it's a mixture of all colors. Later, scientists confirmed it with even more precise instruments. In the 19th and 20th centuries, astronomers began measuring the sun's spectral power distribution. And what did they find? The sun emits the most energy in the green part of the spectrum, but across all colors pretty evenly, which once again combines to white. The final nail in the coffin came from the space missions like Apollo, SOHO and STO, which directly emits the sun from orbit, and the result, a white hot star shining in all directions. Now you might ask, why does the real color of the sun even matter? Here's why. First, it changes how we understand light, color and even our place in the universe. Our atmosphere doesn't just protect us, it shapes our entire perception of reality. Second, it's a perfect example of how science helps us see the truth behind illusions. It reminds us what we see isn't always what it is. And third, this knowledge fuels technology, solar panels, telescopes, satellite designs, all based on understanding the true spectrum of sunlight. Knowing the sun is white tells engineers exactly what kinds of energy they are working with. So the next time someone tells you the sun is yellow, you'll know better. You'll know the real story, that beyond the illusions of Earth's skies, there burns a perfect white star, that source of all life. Now, if you enjoyed learning the real truth about our sun, smash that like button, subscribe for more mind-blowing space facts, and tell someone today that the sun isn't yellow, it's white, because science should always be real, beautiful and shared. And I'll meet you in the next video.